We are about to try alligator for the first time. We are here at Freaking Fried, and my cousins are good sports, so we about to do this. Let's see. Can you show them how it looks? Oh, it's hot too. All right. Y'all ready?
Yep. It's hot.
It tastes good to me.
It's good. How you eat catfish?
That's it always should go.
That tastes good. This actually alligator for real?
Let me try it again. I don't know. Maybe that piece was just no.
You don't like
I
it?
can't
do
do
it?
the texture.
Really?
It tastes really.
It actually tastes really good to me.
It's good.
Am I hungry?
Oh no.
Oh, damn.
Okay?
Okay.
Yeah, but I can actually eat this.
It's rubbery, I ain't gonna lie.
It's see? Maybe I just got the
It's
rubber
good
stick.
though.
Mine's rubber.
Yeah, it ain't something like I'll just go. Yeah.
It's
So
cool.
what you think? One
It
out of
tastes-
10.
The taste was great. The texture was great. But I give it a 10 for taste. The season was great. But texture-wise, it was different. It was rubbery.
I'm gonna go ahead and give it a 9 out of 10.
All right,
9
then.
out of 10. I give it. Yeah, I give it about a 9 out of 10 as well. I
Yeah.
think the seasoning was dead on. The
Mhm.
seasoning was good. The texture wasn't that bad. It tastes like hard.
Harder chicken.
Yeah, but harder like fried catfish. to me.
Oh, yeah, it does.
And I like mine's hard like this. So
Yeah.
this texture is perfect for me. Like fish, it can't be like falling pieces. It has to be hard like this. So that's probably why I can like it.
Yeah.
Yeah. But it's not something I'll just go, oh, I want that alligator. I don't think I would just go and buy it like that. So,
I'm cool.
y'all, peace out. We did it.